Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid for freelance work. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to do some freelance work online. And so this is what I've been doing for the past 10 years to get paid as a video editor. And so I've been using this app called Cashtag. Cashtag is free for everyone. And if you haven't used it before, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll both instantly get $5 deposited into our accounts. So with Cashtag, if you open it up, it's basically an easy way to actually request money and pay money. So the individual whom you're working with, that person would also need to sign up for a Cashtag account. So you can send the link down below to have them also sign up. But with Cashtag, in the upper right hand corner, underneath account settings, you can click on linked banks. You can connect your bank account, you can connect your debit card, you can connect your credit card, and those different payment methods can be used to fund your Cash App transfers. So if we exit out of here, let's say that I charge someone $100 for video editing, I could actually go ahead and click on the request button and then enter the name, hashtag, phone, or email of the other individuals who I did the work for. So Cash App makes requesting money super simple and super easy. There's no hidden fees, which is what I absolutely love about it. Hidden fees, as compared to like in PayPal or other payment services, are just cutting away your profits. So highly recommend using Cash App just because it's super easy to use. There's no hidden fees. And with your Cash App balance, you can instantly deposit that straight into your bank account when you want. If you don't want to actually deposit your money into your bank account, you could also use Cash App as a card. So on the bottom left hand side, if you click on the card icon, your prompts might look different from mine just because I already have a Cash App card with Cash App. But with this card, it can actually be used to use your Cash App balance that you have in your Cash App account. So the Cash App card can actually be connected to Apple Wallet, which makes it super convenient for paying for other things. So this, in my opinion, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually get paid as a freelancer. It's how I've been getting paid for the past 10 years. And with it, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll both instantly get $5. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.